There's a good reason why Kristen Stutterheim is making a special trip to the Shawnee Police Department.
Hi. Good to see you. Good to see you.
She has a check-in meeting with Kate Coleman. When Kristen has needed to call the police on her daughter, Kate has helped out.
I told her when she said, "You can call me anytime," I said, "You might regret that." I'm just saying.
When Kristen lived in another state, her daughter had substance abuse issues and would repeatedly run away from home. Kristen would call the police, but her daughter would just cycle through the justice system and repeat the behavior. When the family moved to Johnson County, the behaviors continued. They called police, but the response was different.
Everybody swooped in. Within weeks of moving here, those same behaviors got us caseworkers, police officers that were CITs. Kate was there.
Kate is a co-responder from the Johnson County Mental Health Center. She's embedded with the Shawnee Police. After getting called to Kristen's house, Kate set her daughter up with mental health services. She's been following up ever since.
Me being there, a lot of times I'm able to follow up on those people that maybe would have gotten lost in the system, that maybe wouldn't have gotten that information before, and really actually make sure that they get connected and are doing okay even after the crisis.
The co-responders are an outgrowth of Johnson County's Stepping Up initiative. It was launched by the Board of County Commissioners in 2015.
That initiative was really to ensure that people that had mental illness that were involved with the criminal justice system got treatment as opposed to being put in jail.
The county began collecting data to see how prevalent mental illness was among the jail population. 2 co-responders were put in place, one in Overland Park and one in Olathe. Today, there is co-responder coverage for the entire county.
There's some individuals that will have interactions with law enforcement because of their severe mental illness. Their mental illness will manifest itself in a way that draws attention to the criminal justice system. And that if these individuals were currently connected to services and were stable, then those interactions wouldn't necessarily happen.
As part of the Stepping Up initiative, in 2018, the National Association of Counties named Johnson County an Innovator County, one of 7 in the United States.
I think our program works.
Groups like this one from Pettis County, Missouri, are coming here to seek out Johnson County's expertise in running a high-functioning criminal justice system.
You working a full day today?
The Johnson County Mental Health Center is pioneering other successful programs like this transportation program. It's run in collaboration with United Healthcare. Mental health clients in need of a job get hired as drivers. They take people who lack transportation to work or to medical appointments.
Sometimes life bottoms out on people, and doing a job like this where you're out driving around, helping people get to and from places, it got me back in the swing of things.
As it looks to advance the Stepping Up initiative, the Mental Health Center has plans to hire more co-responders. Negotiations are underway to embed some of them in the schools. Kristen Stutterheim knows the difference a co-responder can make. Kate Coleman helped her daughter get back on track.
It was like I had a friend that I could go to.